And viewers, let's get started with breaking news. Coming in, TV actor Ashish Kapoor, arrested for allegedly raping a woman at a house party, has been granted bail by the court. That is the big breaking news coming in. Viewers, the court has set the bail bond at ₹1 lakh. A surety of same amount is required. Additionally, a key condition is that his phone location services must remain active at all times. Now, actor Ashish Kapoor has been granted bail by the court. It is a big relief coming in for Ashish Kapoor at this point in time. But he was, remember viewers, he was arrested for allegedly raping a woman at a house party. He is now being granted bail by the court. In fact, bail bond at ₹1 lakh is what he has to give in. A surety of the same amount is what is required. And additionally, another condition is very, very crucial to note here. The court has said that his phone location services must remain active at all the times. So there are bail conditions also imposed on actor Ashish Kapoor, that his location must be active, that his location must remain on all the time. And he has been granted bail in the alleged rape case where a woman alleged that she was raped in a hotel room by Ashish Kapoor. And more breaking news coming in. Brazil's former President Jair Bolsonaro has been found guilty by the Brazil Supreme Court of attempting to overturn the country's 2022 election with a plot. Prosecutors that included plans to assassinate the president-elect in a bid to cling to power. 4 out of 5 justices on a Brazilian Supreme Court panel voted to convict Bolsonaro on all 5 counts in the landmark case and to sentence him to 27 years in prison. The evidence against the former President Bolsonaro largely centered on how he tried to stay in power after losing the presidential battle back in 2022 to Lula da Silva. So the Brazil court has convicted the former president Jair Bolsonaro, and he has been sentenced to 27 years in prison. In fact, the evidence against him largely centered on how he tried to stay in power after losing the presidential election back in 2022 to Lula da Silva. And that is a very big breaking news coming in, viewers, as we continue to track the developments from Brazil. It is a landmark case where former president of Brazil, Jair Bolsonaro, has been found guilty by the Brazil Supreme Court of attempting to overturn the country's 2022 election with a plot. Prosecutors that included plans to assassinate the president-elect in a bid to cling to power.